J Sound.
Wami yogurt. Warriors here.
Papa Kumasi.
Nobody today. Hey, come on, fresh and fresh it today.
Baby girl right there. What's good? You have a code.
Hey, don't touch me.
Oh, I'm not. What is it? I shouldn't touch you like how?
And touch me, Papa. And I'm me both
me.
Yeah, I'm mad.
What's wrong? I didn't see. Why are you mad?
Why Vanessa? Yeah. Who's Vanessa?
Oh, come on. The Vanessa who the hell is Vanessa? I'm with you.
And I'm
Vanessa, funny face Vanessa. Vanessa, me the share Vanessa.
Papa, don't play silly on me, please.
But as I'm more Vanessa, Nessa, no so and I'm on the so here, Jimo.
It's not the baby girl. The people na me go for no who's any people.
Ofa, where? What say we are so far? Baby girl, the problem here is people are can ask me if I pro.
To be chantrachin.
Me chantra. Oh, scheiße. You mean Vanessa?
Yeah.
Oh, Vanessa is something in what you may be more. When Ghana for boys to be.
Papa, I don't know chantra.
Listen, they came to me, right? Buy me home, you for you nearby, and who's not the chair or more off, and then they have a good time.
I know what that will feel. Because I know my friend on pick it up. I know what that will feel.
My bad. And you all know me can answer me. Because no, listen.
Hey.
Ono and the Obi and Nas Black. What in common as?
What do you mean chantra?
No, I am not playing.
Apart from you turn to be at yourself. Would they turn out some
I dating.
Hey.
You go in there, you're brony.
Exactly what, Papa. They come and show them if I'm crying.
That is not the truth. See me.
Apart from the voice, BBS and to say like Moya, the
all the guys we slept in the bedroom. See me.
Papa, why you're quiet? Or like when the bedroom voice or in the bedroom.
No, come on. Don't do that. I'm trying to explain things to you, but you're not getting me.
Me get to say, Oba shower down on the voice sounded to say my baby. And I'm a fair gunner, or some my attitude to say me to say us only a day to me baby or something. But the voice, oh, you're very rude to me. But now I'm person in the bedroom.
We catch and said, that's my wife. The sorry and the moose and I'm
so why would you catch and said, oh, you're a friend or no, pick a corner or you're rude.
Pick a corner without my no because some madam, my mother, and then the phone, the call,
the one that you walk at and so you do a honor. Oh, mommy's attitude. No.
She knows.
Oh, mom, she don't know.
She knows.
No, how our voice gonna sounded to say like, oh, no, I want to move the tenant to be because woman.
Nessa, and you nipa. Nessa is somebody I know. Can you word you? It's a man Nessa, I'm a problem.
Oh, share a charming show. Meaning the material.
And you believe what you hear.
Of course, because I have to like lean on my own understanding. Like, no. The voice, the BBS said like you guys just finished doing something in the bedroom.
Something like what?
Whatever, I don't know what you guys were doing.
And then we finish doing whatever we're supposed to do. Whenever we finish it, is that what you mean?
Because I have a bedroom voice. Everybody have a bedroom voice. Yeah.
And you have a veranda voice. She's laughing. And you have a corridor voice. Is that what you mean?
Yeah, we have different voices.
Wow. So when you're talking to me, you turn your voice is different.
Yeah, right now this is my angry voice.
This
I'm mad.
Voice. Yeah. You're mad.
This is my angry voice. Cause like on your bar, them. I don't know what you guys doing. Like the more and between you and God, like literally. Like the person, the girl is very rude or disrespecting me. Like, oh, my girlfriend, yeah. The girl can never talk to me like how she talked to me yesterday. She can never do that because I'm very respecting me. Say, oh, my dad for me and plan after. But how was Sunday? That doesn't sound an plan.
Maybe say, and this age, I want to argue because. Nipana Okan on a boy or a Rasta guy.
My from today. And on 10 girlfriends or NASA boyfriend. No, yeah, the boy.
But just when me argue, send me girl and a girl now. But look at you, mommy, you don't know.
Friend and I'm friend and I confirm. I said, okay, friend, no, they ain't confirm. This is me, Vanessa. They ain't confirm. So my boy, Vanessa, to see. I mean, team for on Uncle Sin said, like, Muni Bibia. Friend.
So now it has gotten to this point.
I don't care. I don't care.
I should call somebody.
Oh no, we didn't deny you. What say we be a woman? To friend, and I mean believe. Yes, seeing is believing. Friend, I mean sure.
Scheiße.
Allez.
Low battery. Low battery.
Hey, Papa.
I mean, why would I lie? Low battery. Can't you see? I feel I'm a bit from and I'll be moving. You see, low battery.
Then my who's a phone or low battery, but
It's a low, but like 2-3%. 2%. Made me I. The bedroom to see I ain't mean can you? But listen, you are the love of my life. Your bani, you can't buy your bar.
they be around say yeah because
who jam ya meshem ho konfu
say yeah now because when it's all kind of material.
anya ntiase o eye odo Abraham lifiwo mukakipa out isi Abraham legem ledia for mesaka Abraham ye nana big be wasimate amade from fulam yo just sad of baby die I play say what I say yes.
You name them okay.
And yes, you are a type of girl. You understand me.
The BS, but Papa, you don't do me right.
Oh, come on. Abna, if you say I don't do you right, then now I'm made the magic way. Like, what right do you want me to do you?
Because every single time there's problems.
The last time I was working with you, you were getting these calls, right?
And I'm just say scam like
it's a scam like that. Would you
AI like go be a bit my friend.
They said I'm going to the AI, you know, no to show because AI.
Yeah.
I'm not fear. You never know to show because AI. When you say AI, it's AI.
AI, but AI say AI.
There's no Vanessa, yeah. There's only one Abena what I say. Huh? Now, when Mama hugging and
no, I'm so mad. Like,
no, I'm so mad. You belongs to me. Looking so mad. Let me enter my phone now. As actually, you know, I serious. Move, let me see you, Bobby. I serious. Yeah, but this summer.
Nessa, are you Nessa? You Nessa? I am. I just want to know, like, are you Nessa?
Yes, I'm Nessa. What the fuck do you want?
Why are you with my man?
Who's your man?
Kumasi.
Who gives a fuck about Kumasi? I don't give a fuck about Kumasi. Why are you after me?
Bruh, whenever I call Kumasi, you're the one picking the call. I see your pictures in Kumasi phone. Like, what's up?
Well, Kumasi's my bitch.
What are you?
So what the fuck do you want? That's my nigga.
I just came here in peace. I just want us to talk as a sensible human being.
If you wanted peace, you would get your man to come talk to me. You wouldn't come here stalking me. Why the fuck are you stalking me, bitch?
I'm not stalking you. No.
So how did you get my address?
You don't have to know that.
Why are you following me?
I'm not following you.
So
I just came here to talk.
Talk about what? Your man? Go talk to your man.
Girl.
Go talk to your man. Go check your man.
Like girls, you don't do this to your girl.
I'm not a girl. I take the nigga when I want to. And bring him back when I want to. What the fuck? Oh. Is that all?
No.
Okay,
I just came here so we could talk. You better leave my man alone.
I don't want to talk to you though. I don't have anything to say to you.
Or whatever. Can you leave my man alone?
Tell your man to leave me alone.
He said you're the one chasing after him.
That bitch is on his knees, begging to see me.
I don't believe that.
I don't care what the fuck you believe.
Just leave my man alone.
You're here. Guess who's fucking taking the trains to come see me?
I'm not taking the train. I drove.
I don't give a fuck. Girl. Now get the fuck out of here.
Girl, I don't want to have any banter with you. I just came here in peace. I want you to leave my man alone.
Get the fuck out. I'm gonna be back, bitch.
This girl is crazy.
Yes, I am. And you're gonna find out.
Girl. Can't.
Yo, this bitch really thought this is a fucking game. Swear to God. Swear. And Kumasi, fuck you, bitch. fucking believe this. Can't believe this bitch coming to my fucking house about Kumasi. Who the fuck gives a fuck about that bitch?
Kumasi.
Hello?
Oh, what here?
I'm quite Sakaka. I'm do okay, school anymore.
Yeah, my baby now have almost 20 minutes. Okay, so by
I'm coming. I'm almost there. I'm almost there, please.
All right, bye.
Come on.
If I know fever.
I'm awesome.
Papa, I've been here for 20 minutes waiting for you. Can't say all by your name.
Na me the yes. You in the stove no time person me
I don't know person me put for Vanessa show.
But na Vanessa again. What is wrong? Oh, come on, Vanessa, let's go inside. Roll the glass, let's go inside.
Me need time for you like that too. I just came to say hi because my friend won't
What's the way? Let's go. Roll the glasses, let's go.
Papa, and trying to just own die.
Why are you doing this? I didn't try to meet chow.
I have more information on it. Like I've got alright. Only information when you go on a picture.
When I get on the picture, I get Ben when you're the picture.
Vanessa picture. Like
Vanessa picture. Vanessa Bay. Vanessa is just a friend.
only dreadlocks. On board now, honey. On your piercing. So I wore dreadlocks or you're very short. Papa.
Information when you know, why are you getting all this information?
That's
from?
none of your business.
It is. That is why we are here discussing about it. If it's not my business, and can we really be talking about it right here? So let me know why you.
So then I know what I'm training. And Vanessa is true.
Oh man, they me trying
to evidence and for they are sending me.
So what they send you said they say enemy giant. Somebody send you say enemy day. Why are they sending you that evidence? Why are they even sending you that evidence? That's what I want to know.
I just came here to tell my truth. Me person me go and come back and forth. When you be to send me, now this I go on Papa. Yeah, my yama when you
Why are you ending this story here? And then why am I No. Listen.
So no, so pile there.
Oh,
excuse me, leave my car. Let me leave.
Come on.
Can I leave?
You can leave because we're not done talking.
Don't touch me.
We're not done talking.
Don't
you can
touch
leave.
me. I don't care. At this point, I'm done.
You are not
I'm
done.
done.
What are you talking about?
And then what you?
No, please. No, listen.
I could just go through the other
You
line.
can't go through anywhere.
Sorry, I'm done. I just came here to say my mind.
You're not done with me. You can't be done with me. About all these years, about all the hassles. What are you talking about?
I don't care.
Do you know who Vanessa is?
Come on.
Listen.
Leave me, call. Oh God, leave. Can I leave? I'm done. Relationship, like every single time I have to be saving your ass and intro every time. I'm done. This is it. Be over.
Nah.
Over.
Are you saying the Omokacho on Teno? You are taking
an idea, like it's your.
Let's happen, Chenya.
Hey, I do what? And then maybe another one magic. Bye. Leave my car. Leave. I gotta go.
Nah.
Papa, Jaika,
please.
Papa, Jaika, me the plan of. I don't care. I have zero emotions right now. I don't care about you. Leave me. Papa, but I can't be so. Like I'm literally done. And from my phone, delete my number because we're done.
Are you kidding me?
Leave me alone.
Listen, are you serious?
I don't care. I don't care.
We bad to catch up from Soko. Then the crew mama for a snitch, sir. No, I call you some con of you. Abena. No.
Wami, you go. What do you say? Papa Kumasi never did today. Come on, fresh and fresh today.
Time in African market no more.
I think so. 9:30. I don't feel
9:30. What am I gonna eat? You something baby. Ah, you have food in the house? Who kibo? Kibo then?
Kibo guy.
Ah, me cook kibo. So I'm me busa sama.
It's my young woman. Are you rest? Baby, and I didn't ask you away to the eye. The more I ate, the more and I say, to my minute, to my Wahana was a account.
Ni mo kakra me home. The bia aji se me kofa banyeza. Huh? What you bring on the table? You go can now say ko kan wo kakra on ka fa dam table pedo. Oh, who dey oye, na se kada.
Oh, see na. Yana.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know sometimes I am saying. I'm so feeling good. Come on.
It's J Sound.
Wami yogurt. Maria
Come on, we're gonna eat. No. Also, kibo huh?
And sometimes when you mommy.
Are you cool? Congratulations. Well done. And you're going to make us a house and you're in it. And you're going in it.
Abena, why a chill? Come here. Come here. No, come.
Who is she?
Come on, come. Abena.
That's your mommy, Mamba, Hawaii. I just came to my man.
Please.
Who is she?
Abena, please.
Papa.
Please.
And you're going in an American. I saw is the same girl.
Please, I am begging you. Listen.
Hello. Hey. And I don't see me jumping my hop on the hop.
No, listen.
Oh, wow, interesting.
Oh, come on, baby girl, come on. The problem here is you know her. Only listen. She is the Vanessa girl I told you so. I
don't care.
Oh, me bahas she holds me down on the street. Nessa, please. Why are you guys doing this to me? What do you want me to do? When I come here, they say my translate. When I do the words you say, so what do you want me to do?
Kumasi, yo, who's again?
Hey,
you okay?
Kumasi, who's here? Me and who's here?
Ah, Radhe. Ah,
who's here? Only one, but see, uncle.
Abena, listen, come. I'm coming. Nessa, 1 second. Babe, come here, listen. Nah, please listen to me. See, I'm your man. Yeah, coffee, but listen, yeah, but see me in a nice way. Listen, but listen to me, please. Oh my God, you show me, Abena. Listen, I know you don't. Abena, 1 second. Listen.
Papa.
Baby.
Don't baby me. No, come on, let's go home.
We are going, but listen. Nessa, you need to stop doing this. But they did it.
It's kind of
oh yeah. Baby, hey, listen. I'm begging you.
Are you ready? So because and listen, and customer listen. Me, like, hey. And some of me to see I'm not listening. I'm not. Jammy, but see,
and I'm champion and I'm relaxing. Yes. What I'm trying to say is say, it's not what you thinking.
I don't care.
Yeah, I know you wouldn't care. But listen, yes, then. Or you girl, answer is somebody I'm dating.
But she's the same girl you denied.
I will deny her 100,000 times in front of you. I will 100,000 times deny her because I am a girl and I wouldn't leave her for you. But you are a right-handed woman. Wouldn't say anymore. What's it going to say? And you say, I wouldn't say a war. You can't also a wow original way. Will be an original one out there. What to come and say, what must say? Yeah, and Yamio, nice out for Mamma Kumeo. Malika catch your walk as
We
well.
are saying I'll be cool and unim so uses that word not like
Obanas Oba.
no, not today.
On your machine. And don't tell me now, Cosson. Sending Cabani Shademo.
We named the Mokoya was around on a mobile now. We named the Moya as an
you to say what's hard to tell me. Is what you do?
Let me Baba style and I just saw you guys.
Oh, come on.
Baba
Just say you don't call me.
Never.
I'm not going anywhere.
Oh, yeah, my boyfriend. Why should I want to pay you as a private.
No problem. I'm sorry. I'm not asking for you to call me or blah blah. But I mean, say I didn't know one friend. Now, Ben, anyway.
No, I'm confused.
All right, I'm sorry.
I see.
How low battery? Like,
hey, Papa.